12th problem. If cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3, show that 1 minus cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta is equal to 3 by 5. Here they have given just cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. We know what is cot theta means? Adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. So draw a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B. Theta. Adjacent side is 1. Adjacent side. And opposite side to theta is root 3. Hypotenuse is not given. We have to find that one. ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Who told? Pythagoras theorem. We have learned from Pythagoras theorem. You have to mention this one compulsory. Now, what is hypotenuse? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Are you able to follow? Now, we don't know AC. So, AC square is equal to root 3 whole square plus 1 square. AC square is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus 1 ones are 1. So AC is equal to 3 plus 1 is AC square is equal to 4. So AC is equal to square root of 4, that is 2. So now we got hypotenuse as 2. Now what they are asking to find? What all they are asking? Find out. Cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? BC. And what is hypotenuse? AC. BC how much? 1. AC how much? 2. Next, we need sin theta. What is needed only find? Sin theta. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. You write complete. That is equal to opposite side is how much? AB. And hypotenuse is AC. That is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now you are going to replace these values in this given. They told to show that in that. Now we are going to show 1 minus, take LHS. What is LHS? 1 minus cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta. That is equal to 1 minus cos theta value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square by 2 minus sin square theta. Sin theta is root 3 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 1 minus 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. Next, in denominator 2 minus root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 twos, 4. Now in numerator you will get 4 as LCM. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 1. Keep bracket. This is numerator. Coming to denominator. Denominator 4 will come. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 3. Put in a bracket. Now denominator can cancel. Denominator cancel. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 8 minus 3 is 5. They told to prove that 3 by 5. We got is equal to RHS. Hence proved. This word you have to mention. This is the way of solving the problem. 14th problem. If 3 tan theta is equal to 4, show that 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta is equal to 3. So, solution given. What they have given? 3 tan theta is equal to 4. So, tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. 3 into multiplication comes from left to right is division. What is tan? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So draw a right angle triangle ABC, right? 90 degrees at B, and this is theta. Opposite side is 4 and adjacent side is 3. Now ABC is a right angled triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC we don't know, so AC square only. AB is 4, so 4 square plus 3 square. Now AC square is equal to 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9. AC is equal to 25. AC square is equal to. So AC is equal to square root of 25. What is the square root of 25? 5. So AC we got as 5. Write that 5 here. Now what are needed in the problem? Sin theta and cos theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? AB. What is hypotenuse? AC. AB how much? 4. And AC how much? 5. Next, cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? BC. And what is hypotenuse? AC. So 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now what they are asking to find? To show that LHS you take first. What is LHS? 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta, that is equal to 3 into sin theta 4 by 5 plus 2 into cos theta 3 by 5 divided by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 2 into 3 by 5. Now multiply. 3 4s are 12 by 5 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 by 5. This is numerator. Come to denominator. 3 4s 12, 12 by 5 minus 6 by 5. That is equal to 5 is the LCM. 12 plus 6, keep this in bracket, and here 5 is LCM. 12 minus 6, numerator you are going to add, denominator you are going to subtract. That is equal to denominator get cancelled. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 by 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 goes in 18 3 times. So 3 we got, that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. They told to prove that and we have proved. Hence proved. 15th problem. If cot theta is equal to Q by P, show that P sin theta minus Q cos theta divided by P sin theta plus Q cos theta is equal to P square minus Q square by P square plus Q square. Now, solution given, what they have given means cot theta is equal to Q by P. What is Q? Adjacent side to theta. And what is P? Opposite side to theta. So, draw a right angled triangle ABC where right angle at B and near C is theta and adjacent side is Q, that is BC, and opposite side is AB, this is P, and hypotenuse we are going to find. ABC is a right angled triangle. Always you have to mention this word. The complete trigonometry is based on this one. What is that one? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Who told me? Pythagoras theorem. So you have to mention this theorem compulsory. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC? We don't know. So AC square. What is BC? P square. What is AB is P square and BC is Q square. So now AC is equal to square root of P square plus Q square. Are you able to follow? So AC is equal to square root of. So we got hypotenuse P square plus Q square. Now what is required? Sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? We know opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB means P. P by square root of P square plus Q square. Are you able to follow? So now listen carefully. Next, sin theta come cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. That is equal to Q by square root of P square plus Q square. Now take LHS. What is LHS? They told to show that. What they told to show that? P sin theta minus Q cos theta. Q cos theta by P sin theta plus Q cos theta. Now simplified. That is equal to P into sin theta. P by square root of P square plus Q square. Next, minus is there, minus Q into cos theta. Cos theta means Q by square root of P square plus Q square. Close the bracket. Next, denominator P into P by square root of P square plus Q square. Minus is there, now plus Q into Q by square root of P square plus Q square. Now that is equal to P into P, P square by square root of P square plus Q square minus Q square by square root of p square plus q square. The same denominator also. P square by p square plus q square. Here plus is there, plus q into q square by square root of p square plus q square. If you want, keep brackets. This is numerator and this is denominator. Now in numerator minus is there, denominator plus is there. Take LCM. What will be the LCM? Square root of p square plus q square is LCM. Able to follow? So p square minus q square. This is numerator. Keep bracket. Come to denominator. Denominator also LCM is square root of p square plus q square. And here this time plus p square plus q square. P square plus q square. Now denominator get cancelled. And what is remaining? P square minus q square by p square plus q square. What they told to prove? We got is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. 17th problem. Use the adjoining figure. This is the figure. Write the values of. Before finding the values, here some unknown values are there. AD how much we don't know. DC how much we don't know. So let us find first those. Then remaining we can find. So ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angle at B. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, AC they have given 17. So 17 whole square is equal to AB is AD plus 6. Together is AB whole square plus BC 8 square. 17 is 289 is equal to AD plus 6 whole square. You keep like this only. 8 8s are 64. Now 289 minus 64 is equal to AD plus 6 whole square. Now 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. Again 2 is there. One more 2 is equal to AD plus 6 whole square. Now square coming from left to right. So AD plus 6 is equal to square root of 225. You know square root of 225 how much? 15. So AD plus 6 is equal to 15 square root of 225. Now AD is equal to 15 minus 6. AD is equal to 9 centimeters. So here we got 9 centimeters. Now BC is there. Now DBC is a right angle triangle. This also right angle. 90 degrees is there. Right angled triangle. Here hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now DC square is equal to DB square plus BC square. Two right angle triangles are there in this figure. That is equal to DC we don't know. So DC square as it is 6 square plus 8 square. DC square is equal to 6 6 are 36, 8 8 are 64. If you add, DC square is equal to 100. DC is equal to square root of 100. Now DC is equal to 10 centimeters. So we got 10 centimeters. Now every side is known. Now what they ask, we will find out. Now from this adjoining figure, they are asking to find the values. Sin x. Sin x means opposite to x degrees by hypotenuse. What is opposite to x degrees is BC. And what is hypotenuse of this means AC. So BC means how much? 8. Hypotenuse how much? 17. So 8 by 17 we got. Coming to cos y. Here y is there. Adjacent side to y by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is DB. And what is hypotenuse? DC. So 6 by 10. Here cancellation is there. 2 goes 3 times, 2 goes 5 times. 3 by 5 is answer. Now coming to here, they are asking to find tan x, sin y, cos y. First find tan x. Tan x means what? Opposite side to x by adjacent side to x degrees. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. So BC means 8. So 8 by AB. 9 plus 6, 15. 15. No cancellation. Next, find out sin y. Sin y. Sin y degrees means opposite to y degrees by hypotenuse. What is opposite to y? BC. And what is hypotenuse? DC. DC. So BC is 8 by 10. Goes 4 times, 2 table, 5 times. 4 by 5. Next, sin y. Sin y already we found. Now substitute. 3 tan. Tan x means 3 tan x degrees minus 2 sin y degrees plus 4 cos y degrees. That is equal to 3 into tan x. Tan x is 8 by 15 minus 2 into sin y 4 by 5. Next, plus 4 into cos y 3 by 5. Simplify. 3 goes in 15 5 times. So 8 by 5 minus 2 4s are 8. 8 by 5 plus 12 by 5. 8 by 5 plus and minus get cancelled. 12 by 5. That is equal to 2 by 5. This is improper, make into mixed fraction. This is the way of solving.